Hello, my name is Ellen Weinstein. I'm an author and illustrator. I write and illustrate books and create illustrations for clients, including the New York Times, the Washington Post, and Time Magazine. New York City is my endless source of inspiration. The city becomes the biggest collage to work with. By working in layers, I allow myself to create visual puzzles and explore various levels to an image. As a design tool, collage provides freedom to move forms, mix different elements, and essentially play. Through the combination of painting, photography, and digital tools, I tell stories that aim to engage with the reader. In this Domestika course, you learn to build images through different layers of storytelling. As a final project, you will create an anthropomorphic portrait with a person you choose and an animal who best reflects who they are. We will pick someone who is important to you and an animal. Then we will learn how to use facial expressions and gestures to convey emotion. We will get the creativity going with everyday locations, selecting the proper scenario for your story. After choosing photographs to work with, we will explore what composition, color, adding elements, and editing can do to tell a completely different message. We will incorporate an object and play around with it before gluing and flattening down the image. Finally, with a table full of inspiration, we will paint a few flourishes to finish our masterpiece. By the end of this course, you will be ready to imagine, arrange, and add different elements to tell your story. You will need any color media you have: glue sticks, X-Acto knives, scissors, and a cutting board. Different paper backgrounds, sketchbook, phone camera, and a lot of imagination. Photoshop is optional. This course is for anyone who wants to use our everyday scenarios as inspiration for telling stories. Bring out your wild side, layer your ideas, and let's tell new stories.